welcome to the 3C3 Garage. Today we're going to be replacing some brakes on a 2007 Harley Sportster 1200 XL. It's pretty quick, easy. Let's get to the bike. Alright, first off, what we're going to need here is just a couple tools. We got a 5mm Allen key. We got a flathead screwdriver, some brake cleaner, most importantly, a board to collect anything that comes off when we spray the brake cleaner, because even though this is my garage, when my wife's not home, I want to make sure that we don't get anything on the floor. Let's keep it clean. Right, so what we're looking at here is the rear caliper, and in the caliper there's a screw which is right there. It's just a flathead. What it is basically a cover just to cover the bolt that goes in there. So we're going to need to remove that first. Make sure you have a screwdriver that is a nice snug fit. You don't want to strip anything out with that. Then we'll go ahead and remove the bolt that's inside there. Then the brake pads will pretty much just fall out. Alright, so to loosen everything up here, we're just going to hit it with just a little bit of brake cleaner. Just a dab will do you. Got just enough room around this bag here to get this out. If you want, you can wear gloves. I always say don't trust a mechanic with clean hands. I'm not a mechanic. Playing one on TV today though. Maybe I should remove the bag, make it a little easier to get that. Got it. Alright, like I said, this is 5mm. I'm going to pull this out. As soon as we pull this out, those brake pads will fall as it passes it. Grab this brake pad out of here. Possibly. There it goes. So it just fell down behind the rotor here. We'll get that out of here. Oh yeah, as you can see, that one is, well, pretty much gone. Probably need to do that a little sooner than I did. Just got back from Arizona recently, so you gotta check everything out after a big ride, especially if you go to a rally or anything like that. Push this out here. There it went. See, that one isn't as bad. So on the back of these, you're going to have this metal plate here. You don't want to go ahead and take that off and put it on your new brake pads. It's just going to help reduce some of the vibrations. Just a few tabs here. Just kind of lift those up. Now come right off of there. Grab your new brake pad here. This will just, see how it has the notch on the top here already. This goes and clips right on. That brake pad's ready to go. And show you this one as well. As you can see, it has a little notch right there. Just slides right on top. Push it on there. Just kind of clips on. Alright. So now what we need to do is we need to get that brake caliper right there. Push back in a little more. Be able to take your fingers, with a little bit of pressure, you can't do that, you can always take a brake pad, give you some good leverage on it, and push back as well. As you can see, huge difference here. So then just repeat the process in reverse. This bag is nice, but it is kind of in the way. Probably not as much as my hand is at the moment. Alright, get to that first one. Should just slide through. I got this bag in the way so it doesn't really slide as well. There we go, it's just about there now. Alright, once you got that lined up, you're just going to go ahead and crank this bad boy in there, tighten it down. Get nice and snug. Take our cap, put it back in there. Make sure that you're going in straight with this so you don't strip it out. Screw that right back in there. Once you get in there nice and straight, give it a good twist. Don't strip it though. There you go. Replaced your brakes. So this is going to rotate freely a little bit. Last thing we got to do is you got to make sure that you hit your brake pedal a couple times. Just get that caliper right back out there. Feel it once it hits. There it is. Alright, so once you end up getting this all put back together here, you got your caliper back out, got everything nice and tight. What you're going to want to do is you want to make sure that you ride it around the block once or twice before you take it out anywhere. Just make sure everything's working properly. Alright, once you get everything cleaned up, put away, you're going to go ahead and start her up, take it for a test drive. Like I said, you just want to go around the block a couple times, test that brake, make sure that everything's working, doesn't fall apart on you.
Don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found. Short but not too big around. I'm a man of means by no means. King of the road. I know every engineer on every train.